You open your phone just to check one notification. 5 minutes later, you're still scrolling. You don't even know what you watched. Funny clips, random faces, useless information. You close the app and your brain feels tired, empty, unfocused. That's not normal. That's brain rot. Brain rot is when your brain gets addicted to fast, easy dopamine, short videos, constant stimulation, zero effort. Your brain is not resting, it's decaying. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine your brain like a muscle. If you only lift very light weights every single day, your muscle doesn't grow, it becomes weak. That's exactly what's happening to your brain. You feed it content that requires no thinking, no focus, no patience. So when it's time to study, work, or think deeply, your brain refuses. Now let's talk about the damage first. Your attention span is destroyed. You can't focus for more than a few minutes without feeling bored. Books feel impossible. Work feels painful. Silence feels uncomfortable. Second, your motivation drops, not because you're lazy, but because your brain is overstimulated. Real life feels slow compared to your screen. Third, your thinking becomes shallow. You stop reflecting, stop planning, stop questioning. You consume, but you don't create. Fourth, your emotional control weakens. You feel anxious, restless, easily irritated because your brain never gets time to reset. This is why so many people today say, I can't focus. I feel lost. I'm tired all the time. It's not life, it's brain rot. Now listen carefully. This is the solution. You don't need to quit your phone forever. You need to retrain your brain. First step, reduce stimulation. Not eliminate, reduce. Stop endless scrolling. Stop watching content with no purpose. Your brain needs boredom to heal. Second step, do hard things daily. Read something challenging. Learn a skill. Think without music. Work without distractions. Hard tasks rebuild your focus. Third step, protect your mornings. No phone for the first 30 to 60 minutes of your day. This one habit alone can change your mental clarity. Simple daily training to reverse brain rot. Every day do this. 10 minutes of silence, no phone, no music, no stimulation. Just you and your thoughts. Then, spend 20 minutes on one hard task, one focus. No multitasking. Do this daily for 2 weeks. Your focus will improve. Your mind will feel sharper. Your motivation will come back. Brain rot doesn't destroy you overnight. It happens slowly, quietly, while you're entertained. If you don't control what you consume, it will control how you think. Follow for more. Your brain is powerful. Don't let it decay.